Yes, I see. Good news, everyone!
After years of controversy over the Exynos chips powering Samsung's Galaxy S series in certain regions, the spotlight has now turned to what will be inside the Galaxy S25 lineup. According to the latest leaks, it seems like Samsung's plans have changed big time. While they initially wanted to use the Exynos 2500 chip for the Galaxy S25, reports now suggest that we'll be seeing the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip in every Galaxy S25 model worldwide. Here's the deal. Samsung had high hopes for the Exynos 2500, thinking it could stand toe-to-toe with Qualcomm's Snapdragon. But behind the scenes, things weren't looking so good. Apparently, issues with Samsung Foundry's 3nm wafer production caused a lot of headaches. Yield rates for the Exynos chip were hovering between a disappointing 10% and 30%, which made mass production super risky. In a world where Samsung's selling millions of these devices every year, that wasn't going to cut it. Reliable leaker Ice Universe has confirmed that the Exynos 2500 is now a no-go for the S25 lineup, and it's looking like Snapdragon is taking over the entire series. This change also reportedly led Samsung to explore other options like MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chip for the regular and Plus models, but it seems like Snapdragon won out in the end. Now, here's where things get interesting. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is more expensive to produce than the Exynos chips would have been. In fact, it's estimated that Qualcomm's latest chipset costs about $200 to make, while the Exynos 2400 would be a little cheaper, though still pricey. This price bump could either eat into Samsung's profit margins, or the company might pass that extra cost onto customers with higher retail prices. Some sources even suggest that the entire Galaxy S26 lineup might also go Snapdragon only, so it looks like this trend could be sticking around. So, what do you think? Are you excited to see Snapdragon power all the Galaxy S25 models, or were you hoping for Exynos to make a comeback? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm curious to hear what you all think, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.